Morning gearheads, welcome to the workshop. Today I'm showing off the little luxury pocket water filter. This is a little water filter that I've owned for at least 7 years, but we've sold them for probably a decade. Sold thousands of them. They work so well. They're lightweight, they don't weigh a whole lot. They're easy to carry around. They come in a little pouch that everything fits in. You can take it hiking. Great option to make undrinkable water drinkable. And I'll bring you in, show you some of the features, and hopefully answer any questions you have. So here we are up close. This is what it looks like in its packaging. When you open it up, these are the various items you get. You get the inlet and outlet hose, a unit, little maintenance kit, and carry pouch. Also a manual comes in it with it. But such a simple and easy to use little water filter. It comes with 2 hoses, a smaller outlet hose that you just slide on to the outlet spot, a longer inlet hose. The inlet hose does have a pre-filter at the end of it. It's a little mesh, a wire mesh net at the bottom, as well as a little flotation device. That way you can drop it in a stream or whatever your source is, but you can keep the pre-filter up off the bottom of the container. That way if there's any sort of larger sediment at the bottom, you're not bringing that into the pump. That way it can just float right in the middle and bring in as fresh water as possible. Comes through your outlet hose. What I'll typically do, I'll typically grab my normal hiking water bottle, whatever bottle I'm using that day. I'll hold it in the same hand and then just pump, and it'll bring water through and fill it up in no time. In terms of maintaining it, very easy to pull off the hoses and clean them out if anything happens to them. But also, this kit comes with a little maintenance kit, which is just a silicone O-ring friendly lubricant and little sheets of sandpaper. You just pull off 2 things to unscrew, pull off the piston, and then you have a little O-ring that you can use the lubricant on. And then you pull off the filter. The filter is a ceramic filter, so it can get clogged. And if it does, you just take some of the sandpaper, clean it off, get it back to this pretty pink color, and you'll be as good as new. You can also clear out the actual filter itself. At this time, allow everything to dry, screw it all back together, and you're as good as new. Everything easily fits into the little carry compartment. That way it's easy to keep with you. It has about the footprint of a cell phone. Easy to keep with you, lightweight, and you can always have it on you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at TheQuarterMaster. But if not, I'll see you next week. Cheers!